Open the front cover and locate the terminal blocks inside the controller. Feed the 3-wire cable through the external cable gland into the unit's body. Connect the green wire to the 4 to 20 mA output terminal and tighten the screw firmly to secure the connection. Next, attach the red wire to the 24-volt power terminal, making sure it is locked in place. Then, connect the black wire to the GND or ground terminal. Ensure all connections are securely tightened. With all wires in place, your 3-wire 4 to 20 mA output setup is now complete. For 4-wire RS485 connection, run the 4-wire cable through the external connector and secure it in place by tightening the cable gland. For the power lines, connect the red wire to the 24-volt terminal and the black wire to GND. For the data lines, attach the green wire to the terminal marked RS485A. Then connect the yellow wire to the RS485B terminal, ensuring all connections are firm. With that, your RS485 communication wiring is now properly set up.